a short introduction of the standard package, which include a certain list of cupboards. So we call this a library. Let's have a look what we got as a standard supply. We will click on Service, Model Database Tree, and we got popped up this part of this window, and we will start introduction from representing a list of cupboards in a library. So we got various type of cabinets here. So the wine racks, this is Australian favorite thing of cabinets. We got ropes, we got open shelf cupboards, various types and so on and so on. The basic feature is kitchen cabinets. We've got a lot of different variation designs and compositions, but basic one is a mortise and tenon plus screws. If we will go through basic cupboards, the base cupboards, we got the bottom cabinets, we got right, left cabinets. You can see in a previous screen what cupboard is that. To have a preview screen, you need to tick preview here. We've got special configuration of the cupboard with the tabs at the back. So this is one of our design line. So these tabs, generally a tab which should hit a wall. Some of the customers, they are using these tabs, some of them they are not using. So generally these tabs should hit a wall and you can easily screw cupboard to the wall, and these two tabs will help you to keep the cupboard on a certain distance, this distance 20 mm for this cupboard. So coming back to introduction of the library, so you've got two door cupboards, you got various type of two door cupboards, you got three door cupboards, you got three door cupboards with a partition in the middle, and we've got three door cupboards with a mullion. We got the four door cupboards with a mullion and with a partition. We got the sink cupboard. Sink cupboard, we got two different types. One of the cupboard, this is a cupboard with cut out on a stretcher. Another cupboard is a cupboard with a vertical stretcher. So this is a vertical stretcher cupboard. So I'll hide two doors and you can see we've got vertical stretcher. Okay, and there is another one which is with a cutout on a stretcher. Depends what kind of cupboard we want to use. This is cabinet with cutout on a stretcher. So the one of the we got a wide range of cupboards, drawer banks, and tool cupboards. And the one of the features of the library is that we do supply as a standard part or standard range of our library cabinets built for finger grip profiles. So if you will have a look in the library, there is drawer banks, bottom corner cupboards, drawer banks with index FG. This is a finger grip. So let's have a look what we do supply. So these covers, they have cutouts on the sides, and these cutouts especially for feeding the profile. That can be the geometry of the cutout can be adjusted, and we can generally adjust that from global variables or user defined settings, and the size of the cutout will be changed automatically. So this is one of the cupboard for finger grip. This is a various type of the cabinets, 3 drawers, 4 drawers, 2 drawers. All of them, they generally built as in a way to have the certain size of the draw front. Let's say this cupboard is 1/4 and all the rest separated or divided with a 2 draw fronts. If we will have a look on draw fronts or draw banks, sorry, with the 2 drawers and 4 drawers, you'll see that cutouts, they match each other, and generally this cutout will have one single long profile going along all the cupboards. So this is a finger grip drawer banks. We've got a large library of the tall cabinets with finger grip profile, 2-door, 1-door appliance cupboards. I will quickly show you what is that. So this is a cabinet, this is oven stack. So you can see that you got cutouts. You can adjust the size of this cutout from changing global variables, and this is 2 values you can change to resize your cutout. That will be shrinked, and that will be positioned absolutely in the middle of this opening. This opening can be adjusted as well. One of the feature of the library that we've got almost all type of the cupboards you can use as a template, and you can change this cupboard, pull out the cupboard from the library, change this cupboard and save it back with your name, and let's say keep building your library in your way and as you want to have it. Another part of the library which is very important, this is apply panels and wall scribes. Let's say you've got the wall scribes, you've got a various type of the wall scribes. It's a ceiling scribe, it's a base cupboard left and right wall scribe, and if you want, let's say, to use the wall scribe, you can easily resize it, put the same height as the cupboard, and that will be shrinked, and you can magnet wall scribe to the cabinet. Now you can see how wall scribe fit the basic cupboard. So probably you'll ask me why you can't see doors on top. So there is one command we can use that to show doors, because I had the door specially to have possibility to show what is sitting behind these doors. So now we show the doors, and now we got the proper view of the cupboard. One of the feature of this library is that the library is engineered by cabinet makers, and we want to achieve use less hand cutting or manual cutting by hands. So let's say this tall cupboard has a ventilation channel, and it's going through all shelving. So all shelving in the cupboard, they got cut out, so you can use this cupboard pretty straightforward. Just pull it out, and we already made everything should be done for you.